దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా మన పాఠశాల అధ్యక్షుడు ఆచార్య బిఆర్ టాటా గారు జెండా ఎగరవేయడానికి చేసి ఉన్నారు. వారికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతూ జెండా ఎగరవేయాల్సిందిగా మీ అందరి తరఫున ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాను. అటెన్షన్ స్టడీస్ అటెన్షన్.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा। जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
स्वतंत्र भारत की जय।
And it's a pleasure to be with you on this 74th Independence Day celebrations. Many people have come, taking the trouble of coming through in these difficult times. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you for organizing this function, and those who are here present and those who are participating, those who are at their homes and going to witness through this video thing. And I would like to convey my the Independence Day wishes to all the students, staff, teachers and their families. Okay, and it is an important occasion and it is a national festival, because today most of us are taken birth post independence, so we were not knowing what are the difficulties, sacrifices, etc. has gone, and it is our duty to tell to next generation and present generation what sacrifices the people have gone through, what difficulties they have gone through, what sacrifices they have given to give us freedom, and which we are enjoying the fruits of it. And it has to go on, and especially as teachers it is our responsibility that we should convey this message on this important day to all our children as and when occasion comes. Unfortunately, because of this corona times, the students are not with us, but we should convey through this electronic means whatever message, convey it and take their things. If they have, please encourage them to give a picture, give a small elocution, any song, patriotic song, anything. Please ask them to post it in whatever may. They can take a picture, they can post it. Let them come to a common place so that we should feel that they should feel that they have participated in this Independence Day. That is more important. Participation is very, very important. And later on we will see whether if there are very important contributions during our if the schools are open, we will honor them with their for their contributions. Okay. With this as a brief message, I would like to say that we are all doing well and we should continue. First, stay home, and I don't foresee till, because we are only having up to 4th standard. The government might give instructions to first the colleges, universities, colleges, then high schools, then elementary schools. even in the elementary schools, maybe up to 4th, 5th standard, because those are the people who are little bit better immunity, they can withstand better immunity conditions and virus things. Whereas it will be the last for the lower class students, that is like 3rd standard to LKG. And predominantly our students belong to that type of classes. So I don't foresee that we will have a direct interaction with the students till probably middle of December or so, till the vaccine is available and things have come considerably low with respect to virus contamination. So we will continue to engage them, like what Professor Apparao Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor told, since it is a public university and we have students and their parents with different economic and digital divide backgrounds. So we will not be able to encourage and take initiative to cater to certain class of people, depriving other students. So what all he suggested is, whatever you can want to disseminate your information, teaching any skills, what you want to interact with the students, put it in a common place like a YouTube channel, a WhatsApp, etc. You emails, you send it to a common place first. Let the students see that, give the sufficient time. There is absolutely no exams, etc. We are not going to conduct till government directive comes. But we should we should engage them. We should engage them, and we should try to see that we are in touch with the students. As those who have got admitted, we should at least call them. Please, I request all the teachers to through WhatsApp, through phone call, if any student who got admission but not responding, then it is our duty to call them. Please take a proactive step. Understand why he is unable to participate. This is not the time to leave the children. Okay, so take that proactive step. This is what my earnest appeal. This is yesterday I have gone through through newspapers and channels. It is it is asked that every teacher should talk to being a class teachers, or if you have interaction, even more than one teacher. Okay, please talk to the children who are our students. Okay, and ask him how is he doing, what is his health, how is he spending his time, is he happy or not. Please put some nice way of putting things, and keep that one at least once in a week or once in a fortnight, whenever you can reach. Okay, but don't leave the students so that, I have a school, I got admission, but nobody comes to me, nobody is in touch with me, I don't know who are my teachers, I don't know which school I have got even admitted. That type of distancing and the mental thought should not occur in our students and also their parents. Okay, so this is the only appeal I would put it, and we are doing, and these are difficult times for everybody. Please keep always maintain once you are going out, because we are still the peak. Yesterday I was seeing in some news channel, Professor Gautam Menans, who is my friend, he is a virologist who is there in Ashoka University. There are some predictions that the peak might come only in the middle of September, and to take it again it takes a couple of months to a significant level. So we are at to reach. So when it is approaching the peak, the day-to-day score, if you see, it will go to like currently around 60,000 plus, and it may reach to about 1 lakh. So we have to be very careful, and when we are careful, we can only reach to others. And teachers, we should set that example. So always wear the mask, always maintain the social distances, okay, and then never think that because it is invisible enemy and invisible creature, always use sanitizer at your pocket. This is your mantra, and it is your medicine in your hand. Keep as many times as you can. This is as the only appeal to all of things, because once you are healthy, the school will run, in a remote way and in a distant mode, and we can make everybody happy and we can make our families happy. With these few words, we will have a better days ahead, and wish for that, and wishing you all good health and stay safe and stay home. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for to be with us even in this unpleasant weather. Sir has played a major role in taking two major decisions regarding our school. First one is retaining the old fee structure, which is really useful to each and every parent. This is the platform for me to thank sir, because it is really needed.
I
for the
request you to
parents,
thank
those
Vice
who are
Chancellor.
and second thing is approval for issuing admission notification, which is really lifeline for the school. Thank you so much, sir, for helping us in taking these two major decisions. Second thing is, to make a digital presentation, that means participation of students in the celebrations digitally. The idea actually is given by sir. It is excellent, sir. Students, they have responded so nicely, and thank the parents. They have, within a short period, I got a very good response. Thanks a lot to the parents. Thank you each and every parent. Thank you, one and all.
The Professor Dr. Sri Hassan Garu to Hussain Garu, Hussain Garu to our thing, and he's a PGT, he's a mathematics expert, and he taught even to the thing during my interaction, and I had small interaction during teaching at College of Integrated Studies. Madam is there, and he also. So welcome, sir, and probably he will take over from Adilakshmi Madam Garu. So with under new umbrella, okay, which is I hope is a mathematical umbrella, and we will be pursuing what are all to be done in the coming year days. Okay. Thank you. With this thing, let's go.
Thank you.